And we didn't.
Yeah. So yeah, it's Mike and Peter Weekend Collaborations, episode number uncounted. Yeah, we are missing members today as well, so we will be going through some issues with the SFN client. Yeah.
Yep.
And I think first thing is to look at the board.
Yeah, Federico yesterday made some comments and requested changes. So I think that's the first. So those are the first one we can do.
Okay. On a pull request.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me see. So my internet is at it again.
Mm-hmm.
Let me use my phone.
Okay.
I don't know why it only waits for the weekend collaborations to start playing games. Yeah, so I'll use my phone. So
Yeah. So he added those comments to. Yeah, I think that maybe the first is the ones above, like to run git pull and yarn, because he updated some configurations and all this.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. I don't
understand.
So first we need to, you need to run git pull to pull down all the things, because he changed some configuration files and everything.
Yeah. So that was yeah. So git. So the one that he's talking about is.
But it's for the develop. So if you check out to develop, it's for the main.
Okay.
It is related to the whole developer.
So no.
And then yarn. What?
So it's expecting.
So you need to upgrade node. Yeah. You need to upgrade your node version.
Okay.
So the computer locally. Can you update node like that? I'm not sure.
So I don't know what's going on. Yeah,
maybe it's doing actually.
Yeah, mine is 10.6, and it's saying the error was like they expect 10.13.
Okay, let's wait because mine is 11.4, but it was fine.
Mama, utaumiza toto. Mama nakuita, enda kwa mama. These guys are always fighting, man. It's a funny world.
After we figured out this one, you also need probably install the node version manager.
In VM.
Or you have it already?
I'm not sure. Let me see.
I didn't have, so that's why I was.
Here I can see NVM. No, I don't have it.
Just dash, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, for sure. Oh, you're back.
Yep. So is it npm or nvm?
NVM. For some reason, it's not working for me.
So this will not work for fish, probably, because it's using bash profile.
Sorry?
This will not work for fish.
Yeah, that's the thing. So you need to add it to the bash profile. That's what I'm trying to do also. I have no idea, honestly.
Brew install nvm.
You have it?
Yep, looks like it.
Oh, let's go then. You are fine.
No, they're saying brew install nvm, so that's what I want to run.
It's like that, but they are not mentioning in the npm repo. So it might be another package. It might be another thing. But I don't know. Let's check.
Something installed.
Oh yeah, you can do it. Seems like.
Means they say you should create an VM mapping directory if it doesn't exist. Add the following to config fish.
Oh yeah, shit. That's yeah. Now I get. Because I'm not using fish. I'm using the ZSH.
Oh, okay.
So I add it to the bash profile and not to the. So stupid.
No, mama. Later. Share na tuta.
All right. I add it there now, so.
This is add the following to your desired shell configuration file.
Okay, it seems like.
But these ants do not work in fish. Let me see.
Why? What?
The double ant do not work in fish.
Oh yeah, I see the double end. You mean?
Yeah.
Oh.
So.
Okay. So how do you usually replace that with what do you do?
I think this is what I need to do. So
I can't see you now.
You. You can see my screen?
No.
Desktop sharing. Oh.
Yeah, now it's okay. Okay.
So.
Oh, I see what it gives you. Let's give it a shot.
Yeah. So maybe I need to add. Where's my?
Click. Federico also said we should add this configuration so before to do anything, do yarn install and make sure that you upgrade it to, so you have nvm installed and this kind of stuff to add to the setup file in the read or in the readme part.
Okay.
Later, but first figure it out, of course, to make it work.
Yeah.
What Matt was saying, let's see what he was commenting. You guys are the ones who decided to go rogue and work on the other project.
So config fish config unknown command pass. Yeah.
It's bash source, no?
Bash.
How this could be base?
I'm not sure.
I think so.
Yeah, because here they say
Welcome back.
Yeah, it's going on and off.
Wow. No, that's fine.
So when they say add the following to this file, does it mean everything here?
Everything, yes.
Yeah, but now this throws an error. It says but I've not used an and anywhere. So I just did the export and then
Yeah, I see.
I changed this to this. These were the double ands. Or do I need to do the double ands? Let me try with the double ands. Yeah, I knew it will not like this.
Oh. What's that fee?
Yeah. Bro, upgrade, install NVM. Then you make this directory. Oh, I need to install this guy.
Oh, so it's bash. It's really bash. It's not bash.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I should. But where do I? Somewhere else. Let's put it there.
Okay.
I can start. Then now I add this to my VM. And then here and I do source.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Round and round.
Share na tutu. Share.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yeah, looks like it's working.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So npm dash dash version. Zero 0.34.
That's mine as well. Okay, and now we need to run. No, I think that's it. That's it.
Yours shows 0.3 as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we need to create, I think, a branch to add this installation information.
So the last time when I ran yarn,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I'm still getting the error.
Oh, okay. So now we need to solve this. Why is it incompatible and it was fine for me? I don't get this.
I think this one needs logo.
You can change another, like with MVM, you can change the version you use.
Oh, so I can do nvm list.
Or LTS, I think, or like this.
So this is step one. So I can say nvm use this guy.
But you're using that one, no?
Yeah, I'm using it. Yeah.
But that's what. So in the error it says the engine node is incompatible with this module. Expected version 10.13.
So
I have no idea why.
in this list, we did not get this 10.13. Maybe I install.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I did not know that I can use nvm the same way we use rvm.
Mm-hmm.
Small world. Small world. Mom.
No, okay.
Let's see.
Ah,
Yeah. Woohoo!
oh. No, that's why we need to add this information to the settings.
Yeah. I'm learning more and more to be reading error messages.
Mm-hmm.
I usually used to just run to Google. Read the answers. This I already Googled. Yeah, fish actually complicates a few things. Because the normal shell users would have just done the basic stuff.
Yes, I'm perfectly fine with the ZSH. It's normally working.
I'm using the phone, it looks a little slow.
It's fine.
So you saw the blog about the live view.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. Like many people, many developers are waiting for the a WebAssembly to happen.
Yeah.
Because that makes capable of other languages to write directly to the DOM.
Yes.
But this is really similar to that.
Yeah.
So this is I have no problem with JavaScript, but this is interesting to see. It's like how it's possible.
Yeah.
But it's crazy. I just wonder like when it's gonna be production ready applications with this. So
Yeah,
which apps will be there?
they released it in December.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's that new. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, then it's gonna be up here, I think.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think during the Alexa Conf, December 20th, they said something that it's now ready. Yeah.
No, that's crazy. Yeah, I don't know where it's going. So I know that a lot of people are moved also for blockchain technologies because of the security reasons. Some people are like focusing on that. This is another area completely from that.
Yes.
So I don't know where to go honestly, but now there are many new lines, like new swim lanes, basically.
Yeah.
To go through. Like the blockchain is a different thing that's really focusing on another language like Solidity, which is really like JavaScript almost, and then I don't know, this Elixir is more like Ruby.
Yes, Elixir is more like Ruby.
I don't know.
We have an Ethereum mob.
Yeah, I've seen.
Yeah,
I've seen it.
it happens Fridays.
Yeah, but that's also that's also new territory. So that's why I'm not picking up. I'm interested, but I know I cannot pick it up. So
yeah, but I think the pace is slow. It's like
okay.
They have like me. I chose to do it just that 1 hour a week, 1.5 hours, because the mob goes for 1 hour. So on Fridays I will give an hour just to, yeah, I know I won't be as good by just giving an hour, but with time I think it will pay off. Instead of, yeah, I wasn't able to resist it fully. Yeah.
But during the mob, they are using Solidity, or they are using Python or some kind of connector.
I'm not sure. We are just in the beginning of it. So we just created dummy accounts with MetaMask.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, and shared a few coins. Like Federico last week Friday, he bought some Ether before Christmas, and then last week he was just sharing the Ether just to see how things work. So it's the very basic. But then there's also Stephen Grader course on that. Yeah, which I think people are going through, but it goes for I think $9. So I think I'll buy it so that I can join that. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe that's something we can do together also, like the React one, actually.
Yeah, really. Yeah, we can buy it and do it.
Some point. Just finish first the React, and then we can.
Yeah.
Because also in Solidity, the front end can be React, actually.
Yeah.
So doing all these handshakes, that's the Solidity part, but the front end can be basically anything.
Yeah, but then the back end is the Solidity. So I earlier I never thought of it that way. I thought it was just a stock market where people buy those cryptocurrencies and then sell.
No.
Turns out it's much more than that.
It's way bigger. That's just the transaction part.
Yeah.
So this is way bigger. Blockchain as a technology is way bigger.
Just a
and
minute.
actually, Berkeley has a course on it also.
Berkeley?
So I've seen it. That it's not the same, of course, like Armando and Dave, but they also have a course on edX on. So maybe we can take that one actually after we finish the advanced one.
Yeah, I think that.
And then, yeah. I think that's 6 weeks actually.
Yeah, let me get back. Let me take it to him up.
Okay.
This installation thing is actually eating up the whole the whole weekend collaboration.
But that's why we need to set up those settings. That's the thing. So actually, this when we are doing this live stream, and then we will finish, probably this episode will be a perfect companion for how to install this stuff. Because there might be other people out there who will face the same issue. So they can actually reference this video to see what to do.
Yes.
Or they can just search Google, of course. But Happy New Year. Yeah, I think Berkeley still has that course, I think.
Oh.
That would be so great actually to be there. Like a real life. It's obviously one of the crazy expensive universities as well.
Yeah.
It's unmanageable, so it's it's insane. I think this whole educational system in the US, it's just crazy.
Yeah, it's awesome. Really, I learned of this new school in San Francisco. What's the name?
Stanford?
No, there's this.
Oh, there's a new one.
There's a very new one. I saw it during the you know, Free Code Camp offered this hackathon last year. The free. It was called the Jamstack Hackathon.
I posted
during the
in
Jamstack Hackathon.
Yeah. I just
During
posted
the
in the chat.
Okay. Okay, I'll post it in.
No, just finish this the story.
Yeah. So, oh yeah, the course. Okay. So during the Jamstack Hackathon, there was this college that I came to know from San Francisco. I can't quite remember the name. Yeah, winners. Let me see who the winners were. They were mostly they were on the top 20 list. Let me see. Yeah, this is slow.
It's installation.
Yes. Yes, sponsor interviews. I just want to see the name of that school, or maybe I'll read it out. I'll check it out and share.
No,
so the school is so cool. Like it's a college that works only on machine learning stuff, and yeah, no, they're not these guys. Make school, these guys.
Make school.
Yeah, so they offer they like offer computer science, but designed for the 21st century. Yeah, for example, let me just.
But is it? I guess you have to be there as well, right?
I think so. So I think what they do is.
Oh, I see now.
Yeah. So they just use the latest stuff in the industry. Yeah, and their tests are not like the tests of today, like how schools normally test. But I think it's something new. I think it's something modern and different. Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
I really liked their model. Yeah. it's like a boot camp, but it takes the duration of a degree. Yeah, so it's 4 years of massive boot camp. Not,
but that's the best. That's the best. If
yeah,
that's the best actually. So if I could, but in a sense, we are doing the same in here online. But yeah, that's I think those short boot camps are such a, I don't know, such a lie in a sense that you're 5 weeks and you're gonna be a developer. No way.
Yeah.
You can do that one exact stuff probably what they teach you, but nothing more. Or
yeah, like if you do a boot camp for like say a month or 3, then I don't, yeah, it's enough to maybe jumpstart you, but
yeah, but what you learn, it's crazy. Like,
yeah.
how can you believe that, like, we can, like, who, and some people has no connection to technology, you know, and they just jump start on this and okay, so I'm gonna be a developer now because that pays well, but this is not how it works usually. So
yeah,
since you have it in Europe, many like this, many boot camps. It's such a lie, sadly.
yeah. So what were we supposed to do from here?
Git pull, or you pulled already?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's it. So that's it.
Okay.
So now we just need to open a new branch for updating the README with these installational instructions. And we don't have a issue yet, I think. Really. Oh, that we have. Sorry, we have.
Okay.
We have. I will send to you. It's 24.
Okay.
Send your Slack. Oh, so actually you don't have to pay anything. It's after your income.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great, but you have to live in San Francisco, which is probably the craziest cities in the world.
Yeah. Yeah, I have friends from San Francisco. They say the cost of living is
that's. We receive a living assistance.
yeah.
Students who demonstrate financial need are eligible. Who is not like financial need are eligible for an additional income share agreement that provides living assistance.
So what do I need to do here?
Yeah, it's in San Francisco. This is for US citizens, honestly.
Adult version.
So basically what we just did. Or we need to run those commands as well. Those yarn global add. You can do it.
Okay.
Okay. It's doing something.
You know, I don't understand whatever he's saying. Add.not version file when VM automatic switching when CDing to the data. Unfortunately, VS Code integrated terminal.
I think that's just to install the right node, like not like right node version. So that's what he meant. he means.
So do we have that file? Do we have, okay, still.
Oh no, we don't have that file. Is it a root directory then?
Yeah, it's saying that add.NET version file for NVM automatic switching when CDing into the project directory. Unfortunately, in VS Code integrated terminal, you have to CD back and CD back in. In Mac terminal, it works automatically. File just needs this.
Okay, so
Then need to run. Was this why it was forcing me to install?
Maybe.
Let me wait and see. Need to run these commands on the local computer. Then global add Debian setup.
Okay.
Please add these commands in the environment setup section. Automatic switching for node. Oh, okay. Will detect.
Jumping on the bed.
Yeah. These kids are so lucky.
This guy is not sleeping really.
Yeah, Federico.
Mm-hmm.
He never sleeps.
It's amazing.
He sleeps for like 3 hours a day, 3 or 4, I think. And I always ask him, how does he manage? It's like, I manage. Yeah.
I'm 3-4 hours. I cannot sleep that less.
Okay, excuse me. Let me just make a call.
Sure.
Yeah, my old man is on my case.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I'll just mute. Seems its number is busy.
Okay.
Yeah, so this installed. So I need to ls-al to see if I have the .NET version, which I don't. Okay, just a minute.
Okay.
Hello, Peter.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm back. So what we need to do first is to create that file, right?
Yes.
So that. Okay, add version. And this will have this. So do we add this to Agitig now?
I don't think so. Well, I don't know.
Okay. Maybe.
I don't think so because I think it's needed actually on the branch.
Okay.
So when you submit your pull request, I think actually Travis is checking this. So you cannot leave it on your.
Okay.
So now do again the AVN and AVN setup things.
So
Just to be sure.
Okay, so it was Yan global add. So AVN setup.
Yeah, that's the first line. The first line. So your global add. That first, and then the AVN setup, just to be sure that it's not messing up the installations. Okay, another AVN setup.
Yeah, AVN setup. Yep.
All right.
So I need to restart my terminal. So maybe if I do Command T, I'll be in the same place but with a new terminal. Yep, so CD so when I CD to SFN client, then I do NVM list. It's pointing at 11.6.
I'm not sure if that's a problem or it's just some. If you need to use 10.13 or it's more just a configuration or.
Okay.
I don't think that's a problem.
If it's saying that and I do yarn, yeah, it throws the error. So this way I have to do NVM use 1013.
I need to install also.
Then when I do yarn.
Why is it not throwing an error for me if I do yarn?
What's your current NVM?
My current is NVM. What was it? NVM list?
Yeah, NVM list.
NVM current. It's not really showing. Oh yeah. Oh no. .11.4.
But when you do yarn, it just works.
Yeah.
Okay.
Strange.
That's strange.
Anyways, I'm gonna install the and 13.
Yeah.
Just to be sure. Okay. Okay.
So you get the error.
So I'm using now the 1013.
Okay.
And I did yarn and no error.
Wow. So what if you added the .NOT version file
Right now
and have 10.13 inside there?
I added a node version file. But now I get error on yarn, but not at the beginning. Like a large error.
Yeah, you're not sharing. Oh. So this guy in Max Terminal, it works automatically. So does it only work with? Does it not work with fish? Is fish the problem here?
I don't know, man.
Again for fish. I think there's an issue with the fish. People support fish. Yeah, I tried simply. Yeah, they don't support fish, so I think that's why it doesn't work on mine. Yeah. Yeah, fish is not POSIX compliant.
what should we do now?
Yeah, I think I'll let some other guys test it because I can't test it since I don't have the normal shell. So I think mine will just be to push it up.
Okay.
Because all the discussions here are saying how they don't support fish and these guys as is saying fish is a very popular shell. Do you mind adding a note or accepting a PR to the readme stating you don't or won't support it? By what metric is initially used? So it's, and I don't know when this was discussed. Let me see the date. This actually 2015. So maybe I can see the past year. Oh, I don't want Cardi B.
Cardi B.
They don't know I'm looking for fish, not real fish. Yeah. So yeah, this it's from 2015. Oh, so they have a fisherman plugin. Yeah. Let me add that as a comment. With fish. I have on this link. Fisherman. So maybe I need to try that out. So this plugin has the automatic version of Node.js in fish self, both NVM RC Node version formats. So NVM needs to be installed first. Look for installation for the instruction. This plugin can be installed with Fisherman. Okay. So Fisherman. Download Fisher to your fish functions. So this, I don't know how much mess it will do to my current fish. It looks simple. So I can do this. So your shell can take few seconds before refreshing. If Fisher is immediately available, can launch a new session. So dependencies fish git. Okay, so I need to install this Fisherman. Wow. Record was directing to use global config. Fish fan, outside fail, direct fan on flag. Fisherman doesn't load event handlers. Need to source. We're adding it to root config. Yeah. So fish tape. Yeah, I think it's too much. So maybe I can just let other guys test, like Federico.
Someone joined the view.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Abdelani. Hi, Abdelani.
Hi. So is it okay if you just commit it now and it's gonna work? That's how it should work.
Yeah, I think it's okay. But then fish tape test. Fish tape test the test. I think I'll do this on my free time, just for the fish guys. Because I know you are. So I just need to do git add and git commit. Add node modules.
Version. Node modules actually you add by just doing your own.
Yeah. So management. So wow.
Let's have a look if the Travis is
yeah
complaining or not.
So we can wow, this has turned out to be a hell of a session, yeah.
Yeah, I can stay until 8 actually, but I think it's useful for actually not for anyone who will rewatch this and try to.
Yeah, actually, we haven't added the
What?
change to the README.
Yeah, that's another thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's hope for the best, man.
Oh, so you mean we are going to create a new branch and?
Yeah. Because there is another issue related to this.
Oh, okay.
Related to the setup. So that's something you open like as settings, like setting up README. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
So we can use that ticket for this reason.
Okay.
Let's see, Travis.
Pull requests.
No, add node version. It's the one. Pending.
Yeah.
So Travis is not doing the check until someone is adding the review.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure.
I think my old man is calling again.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me just answer him.
Okay.
So Abdulani is asking the homework we are working on. Abdulani, actually today we took like a break from the EDEX course. Yeah, many of us were not able to attend, so we decided just to do some React stuff, which is related to a React course that both Peter and I are taking. So we have just we got some very basic tickets from the Agile Ventures group, and we are actually going through creating those tickets, like pushing those tickets to work. So currently, I think it's a React thing, and we are working on this project for AV. It's called. I'll share it in the chat, or maybe in the weekend collaboration channel.
Yeah, but next week when Dan is gonna return, probably then we're gonna continue working on the course. Probably it's gonna be homework 3, I think.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna continue.
Yes, exactly. So I've shared in the chat there. It's that's what we are trying to go over. But then next week, like Peter has said, when some of us will be around, we will continue with the EDEX course. We are currently on the week 3. Yeah, sure. Currently on the week 3 of the course, and of the advanced course, we finished the first is it CS version 1? Is it version 1 and version 2? So we finished the first course, And now we are on the second course, the advanced course. Yes. Thanks. So Peter and I have just been struggling with NVM.
Oh, the checks has been passed actually.
Oh yeah.
So the Travis passed. It's just a review. I can add a review. Or let's wait for Federico.
Yeah, let's wait for Federico.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, it was just one file that we added. Yeah, we just added this. So maybe we need to add in the README.
Yes. So we can use the ticket you did before, number 11, setting up README. For the purpose of this one, I'm going to send you in the Slack. Because then we can make like a settings or something like that as a title.
Yeah.
And then we can do.
Was it this? Wow.
No, I sent you on Slack. No, it was 11, I think.
Okay.
But
Okay. So we had not created a branch for this.
no.
Okay.
Not yet.
Yeah, the old man is back again.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah. The old man won't let me be me. Yeah, so
All right.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, connection.
Oh, sad.
So
So,
I deleted that branch, the one that I created, because I made it off the other one.
oh yeah, okay.
And then I checked out develop and created a new branch of develop.
Okay.
And now in develop, nope, not there. I think it should be somewhere. This. So I think it should be under getting started. That's why we should add it.
Uh-huh.
So after someone has forked the repositories, before choosing tickets,
Let's add settings or something like that. Or
yeah. So
I have an emoji for this one as well.
node version management. Ensure you oh, nice. Hammer and wrench. So do I have it here?
No, for the node version, next to the node version management, let's have that next to it, to the title.
Here. So we have hammer.
Wrench, yeah.
Hammer and wrench. And then nvm installed in your local machine. I don't know whether I should add a link. And then ensure that the correct node version project is automatically selected when you cd the project SSN projects directory install this. So
you can add for the nvm, you can add brew install nvm. So if you don't have it, install brew install and nvm. So
here I can say brew install. No, not again.
take your time, Mike.
Okay, thanks. So
All right.
Yeah. So yeah, it's this.
Mhm.
So I'll say if you're using SX, you can run the command okay. And then uh, so
Mhm.
Federico's gel branches different plants. Yeah.
Now available as a part of the application.
No. So this I will do the issues, now the pull requests. Was it here where you made the comments?
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
No,
I
he
think
made
you
the
made.
comment there, no?
Yeah, it was an issue. Yeah, I think it was an issue. Add node version. So add the node version for NVM automatic switching when CDing. So
We can maybe just copy the whole thing.
yeah.
This is a new version. Oh.
Yeah. I think we've already added the node version.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ensure that the correct node version I think this we have added. So we need to run these commands on local computer.
Mm-hmm.
the commands below in your terminal. So to ensure that the correct node version for the project is automatically selected, then cd please install this. Install nvn. So this will come this way.
What's this, Mike? I don't. Because
Yeah, this is what I had to install so that I was able to run these commands. So I think they will install nvn and then run the commands below.
It's not NVN, it's AVN.
Oh yeah. Yes. And then here I'll just add and run the commands below. In your terminal. Unfortunately, if you are using VS Code, integrated terminal, you have to cd and backing. Next time, to ensure that the correct node version for the project is automatically selected when you cd. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I don't know. I think that's good enough.
Okay.
Correct version. So the fish users will have some problems, but
yeah, you can even highlight that actually.
Yeah, here.
Because I was not surprised.
If you're using fish, please use to install nvm. Where was that? No.
AVM fish.
Yeah. Where was that? Was it here? No. I used there's this link I used to install nvm to the medium link. Yeah. So I will add that here. install nvm and this. So that was fish. And install nvm. Yeah, I think that's this. Maybe I need to give a link for fish. Cancel fish mark. If you're using fish, she is not happy. Yeah, I think that will be better.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's status. Hit commit. Node version management. I think that's enough.
Sure.
Kids. She wants to make me feel guilty so that I can. I am not feeling guilty, baby. I'm not gonna feel guilty. I'm not gonna feel guilty.
All right.
It was 11.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, I want to wait until it passes and then I go.
Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah, I just want to see it's passing.
Oh, okay.
I hope.
Yeah, I think I need to go to
your own branch on your own fork.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we have a problem here.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it is. What's happening here?
I think there are some backtick issues there, maybe.
Yeah. So this is Brainstorm.
It's with avian setup.
Starts with avian setup.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I think when you have multiple lines of, yeah, that one.
Which line?
That one, exactly where your, oh, it's where your cursor, it's underneath.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to go, yeah. Exactly. Say hello.
Backtick issue.
Mm-hmm. Dogs are very smart.
Yeah, you're right. To ensure that
Mm-hmm. No, otherwise it's crust is fine. No?
yeah, it looks good. So I think we should go to the pull requests and see if the build is passing.
Mm-hmm.
So still but I think it passed. It's only just
It's only
building
because of
because
Yeah.
It pushed again. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, it's passed again. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's leave
Yeah.
it that way.
It's a difficult session, right?
Yeah, it was not. It was a setup session.
Setup session, yes.
Yeah. So I'm gonna continue probably the course, I think, especially because now
Yeah.
we are hitting this routing topic. I have no info on, so I might actually try to go through the course until that point, so until the routing, and then see how that goes.
Yeah, I saw Federico make some comments about routing as well.
Yeah, so
which
that
I think
makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Mike. Then see you on next week, and hopefully we can continue with the course or this project. We will see with them.
Sure. Thanks.
All right. Thanks, Mike. See you.
Bye. Thanks.
See you.
Yeah.